None of us can escape the buzz around cryptocurrencies. But do you really know the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins? Let's break it down today. Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, was created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. Think of Bitcoin as the original superhero in the crypto universe. It's the first, the most valued, and the most recognized. But what about altcoins? Altcoins are simply any cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin. Imagine a whole team of superheroes with unique powers. For example, Ethereum is like the tech wizard, allowing developers to build apps on its blockchain. Litecoin, on the other hand, is the speedy one, enabling faster transactions. There are even privacy coins like Monero and Zcash, which act like ninjas, keeping your transactions hidden and secure. Each altcoin brings something new to the table, offering different features and benefits. So, whether you're a Bitcoin purist or an altcoin adventurer, understanding their differences can help you navigate the crypto world better. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights from TapSwap Education. Happy trading!